Greetings, Mother. How are you holding up in the mortal realm?
It's not easy, but it's nothing. It's good I'm here. The evil humans commit is just too much, especially to the weaker ones.
I understand, but there are things you don't interrupt, which are already dated.
I am fate, and I tell whether one should live or not. Ezulo community should hear from me soon.
Yes, Mother.
Not to worry. The good ones will be under protection.
Mmirioma.
I think you should request for maidens to work with.
I'll think about that.
Yes, Mother.
Mmirioma.
You don't need to worry, Mother.
Mmirioma. Mmirioma. I can't do this. Ooh. Help me. Help me. It's painful. I'm tired. Be strong. I'm tired.
You have to. You don't have to stop here. You have to keep going, please. Ndo.
I've been like this for 5 days now. I can't bear this pain. I'm dying.
Shut your mouth. May Amadi forbid. You will not die. You are going to have your children the same way the women of this village used to have their own children. And you are going to carry your own children in your own arms. Please be strong, please. You have to be positive. You need that positive energy now. May the gods of our land see you through. Sorry.
Jimo!
Sorry.
My husband, where are you?
What do you do now? Just few seconds, you have your baby, please.
Why did you leave me now?
Sorry.
I'm dying.
Eyes of the gods, the mouthpiece of our forefathers, I greet you. Thank you for coming to my palace on short invitation.
Thank you, Your Majesty, Igwe Dikogu. The only man that had the heart of confronting and defeating the lion of destruction in Ezulo community. May your days be long.
Ezemo, I invited you in respect of what happened yesterday, the heavy thunderstorm that took place. We are sure it's not an ordinary one, because it has never happened in Ezulo kingdom before.
Exactly.
I think that there is a problem somewhere and it's something to worry about. That is why I sent for you to check whether the gods have spoken to you in that respect.
Igwe Dikogu, if I had seen anything beforehand, I would have come to the palace before invitation. But I was in my shrine consulting the gods of our land before your invitation arrived. All I got so far is retribution. Tough, not yet clear because the gods have not spoken. But that should be the fear of the evil ones in Ezulo community.
Eyes of the gods. If I tell you that I held on to whatever you have said, I would be a liar. Could you please expatiate some more so that I can comprehend what you have spoken?
We shall wait for the gods to speak.
Well, we shall be waiting as a more.
Your Majesty, everything he said there makes no sense at all.
Oh no. Whatever he said or he did not say call for worries.
Greetings, Mother.
Thank you for always being here to guide me.
I am to thank you for doing me a favor. Thank you. Thank you, Mother.
Another nightmare again.
Not nightmare. I have told you before that Mmirioma doesn't have nightmare. Rather, I'm a nightmare to people.
Don't you ever say such words from your mouth again. Don't alter that. The walls have ears, especially with the calamity that befalls this community for years. I do not want you to say that again.
Mmirioma fears no one.
Mmirioma fears no one. But Miriama's mother fears everyone, and she does not want anything to happen to her daughter. I do not want anything to happen to you.
Mmirioma doesn't need protection.
You can sleep now. Lie down. Lie down! Step this side. Face the side. Put your head up again. Oh.
My prince! My prince! Think about getting by a snake. You see? Snake! Obiago, take me to the palace. Take me to the palace.
Stop!
Close.
Your Majesty, please, may your reign be long.
Ndukwe,
Your Majesty.
am I the one that is supposed to wait when I called for a meeting?
Please, don't be offended, Your Majesty. I was in my farm when I got the message. So I got home and I ran down immediately to answer to your call, Your Majesty. Please, don't be offended.
Sit.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I summoned this meeting for obvious reason. It appears the goat wants to eat palm fronds on my head. There's no gainsaying that our people are suffering. Our people are hungry. They are dying. They have to depend on people from other kingdoms for their livelihood. They fetch water from other communities. And even if crops are not doing well, they are dying. I can't fold my arms and watch things deteriorate on a daily basis. This has been happening for years. Our Dibia seems not to know what to do about it. He's no longer hearing from the gods. So I called you to let you know that I've made the decision for us to invite another Dibia from another community.
Your Majesty, please, take it easy on yourself. Take it easy. We have visited other Dibias in the past, and they have said the same thing. So I'll just take it easy, please. I beg you. Please.
How dare you? How dare you, Ndukwe? You shook your head over my decision? Did I call you here to air your opinion? I called you here to tell you my decision, and the onus is on you to accept it. Ndukwe.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Be careful. Don't allow the gods to visit you. Be careful.
Ndukwe,
Yes.
why is it that you don't know your place and you find it very difficult to mind your business?
Well, I don't know why my presence was needed at the palace in the first place. The king should know that the calamities befalling this community is for its own sins. I am tired of seeking for help where there is none. I am tired.
You should be tired because you are benefiting from Uloma and the daughter's wealth. You think that every man is like you, going to everywhere asking for favor. No! Real men don't do that. Real men look for lasting solutions. They don't run away from their problem.
Oh no. Oh no. No. Real men hold on to little ones. The little solutions. Waiting for the lasting one to arrive. I wonder why Mmirioma has refused to visit you with food items as she has given to us. Okay. It is because of your evil hearts.
I don't understand.
You will understand.
Are you insulting me?
No, I am not insulting.
Now listen to me. I never asked for any favor from that little girl. I never. That little girl that supposed to be no woman. I never asked her for any favor. What are you talking about?
You never asked her for anything. The little girl poses as doom for the evil ones. Oh no. Oh no. The little girl poses as doom for the evil ones. Take note. Take note. Oh no. The little girl poses to be the doom for the evil ones. Be careful.
Oh no! Edochie. So it has gotten to this point that you challenge me openly. I will warn you. If I'm pushed to the wall, I don't break it, I bounce back. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in a hurry. I will teach you what fire does with ears of a rat. Don't worry.
I know it will not be hard for you to find this place.
Nothing is hidden under my notice, Summer.
It's true. Mmirioma in a child's body. You can never be compared to a mortal. You are here to fulfill your purpose and not live as mortals. Have it. And take it up from here.
You have done well, Summer. You have shown yourself to be the true daughter of the river.
Thank you, Mother.
Fear not, mother, for the womb that conceived me shall not suffer nor tremble. I am Mmirioma, your daughter.
What is this? Mmirioma, since I gave birth to you, you've been acting strange. But not to the extent of you dressing like a priestess. What is going on here? Your father and I are not from families of priests and priestesses. So why are you dressed in this attire? What's wrong with you?
Mother, there's a lot you don't know about your child. I am Mmirioma, the slim goddess.
God, what's all this? Mmirioma, you think you just wake up one morning and declare yourself as a goddess? What's this nonsense?
Goddess is not a title one can just wake up and claim. You will understand in due time. But for now, I don't have to explain anything to you. All I ask for is for you not to interfere in my business. Whatever I do it for humanity's sake. And whoever asks you about me, tell the person I am the doom of the evil. I shall be back.
Slim goddess will get great. The great Ekofia, the true son of his father. I welcome you to my palace. Our people have a saying that a toad does not run in the day for nothing. It's either something is after it or before it. A woman whose house is on fire does not remember to hold her breath while running. The mountain is being consumed totally by fire. To the extent that the rocks are now being threatened.
Igwe dikogu. Ndị mmụọ na ndị egede ekenekwa m. Igwe dikogu na-ajụkwa na ajụjụ. Arọ. Mmanwụ. When Igwe dikogu, the lion himself, the lion of Ezuna, is asking question. I am only a messenger. Igwe dikogu, the great lion of Ezuna kingdom. Remember, our people said that a man who fetches firewood infected by ants should be ready to welcome lizards into his home. Igwe dikogu, the man who stood in front of war and claimed his victory. Igwe dikogu, remember, a man who is condemned by the gods should be able to reflect back to himself, because the gods can never condemn the undeserving.
Bekofia, I do understand you. But the issue is, we should be told of our trespasses so that we can make amends. As it is right now, we don't even know what we did wrong.
Igwe dikogu, ndị ba kwuru na awọ anara agba ọsọ ehihie n'efu. Either something is pursuing him or he's pursuing something. Igwe dikogu. Igwe dikogu. They cannot pay a bride price for you to marry a wife and still buy the bed and mat for you to lie with the woman. A man no tell again why I say ekwu ogute. Igwe dikogu, reflect within yourself. Reflect, because the gods are wise and they can never punish the undeserving. I am only but a messenger.
Nnukwu dibia. Ekofia, what we are saying, please explain to us. Let us know what we have done. Let us know why we are being punished.
Oh no, the gods have spoken. They are wise and they will always remain wise. I am only but a messenger. My message has been delivered. Igwe dikogu, the gods are wise. Reflect back to your past.
Your Majesty, inviting this man to this palace is just useless.
Oh no. A king is supposed to be very courageous. A king knows no fear. But at this juncture, I fear for my people.
Greetings, mother. How are you holding up in the mortal realm?
It's not easy, but it's nothing. It's good I'm here. The evil humans commit is just too much, especially to the weaker ones.
I understand, but there are things you don't interrupt, which are already dated.
I am fate, and I tell whether one should live or not. Ezulo community should hear from me soon.
Yes, mother.
Not to worry. The good ones will be under protection.
Mmirioma.
I think you should request for maidens to work with.
I'll think about that.
Yes, mother.
Mmirioma! You don't need to worry, mother. Mmirioma!
Mmirioma!
To the gods. When I saw the prince this morning, I was so captivated. That young man is such a beauty.
Wake up. What did you just call him?
The prince.
The prince you said. He is royalty. And you are nobody. Both of us, Noma, we are nobody. Don't hang your wrapper where you cannot unhang it. Oh, hey. Ha. Okay.
I'm just wallowing in the land of fantasy. I know how impossible it is for me to even near his girl, talk more of him.
Thank God you know.
No, you don't understand how I feel about the prince. I just love him.
Adibi, you are not my friend. I would have said that you have gone mad before. Nonsense.
I'm not saying this because I'm not in my shoe.
Shoe, Kiniko.
Greetings, name. Bow down to Mmirioma and greeting, daughters of Ezulo. And may peace be unto your family.
You say...
Would you mind if I asked you both to work for me in my time of service in Ezulo?
Yes, of course. Of course, we will. Yes.
You shall be paid handsomely every full moon.
Even if you don't pay, I will pay just to be around you.
Yes, of course.
You shall resume tomorrow. I shall go see your parents before sunset.
Thank you. Thank you.
Slim goddess will get good.
You summoned me.
Yes, I did. Please sit.
What troubles the heart of the king? To an extent he didn't even notice my presence.
Son,
Father.
I am not going to beat around the bush. It appears there is darkness looming over my kingdom. And I feel like a failure before my ancestors.
Don't say that, Father. For I know that you are doing your best. The cry of the people baffles you a lot. And these same people knows the truth. They know that you are doing everything possible to sanitize this land. Father, please, you shouldn't think ill of yourself.
You don't mean that, son, do you?
I do, Father. And I know that majority of the people living in this land think the same. Father, please, I would like to know, did anything happen during my absence?
Something like what?
Something like an atrocity. Something that may have angered the gods of this land.
Listen, son. No one dares to anger the gods. But not to worry. I will ensure that I don't leave any burden for your reign to handle. Meanwhile, that is not the reason I summoned you.
Mmirioma, you're a benefactor to my family. Feel free, take anything you want. Feel free.
Still, I do not take things by force. Not to talk of humans. Thank you for allowing your child to serve me. You shall not go unrewarded.
Mmirioma, I dare not ask for any other thing. We're okay. You've done so much for us.
Ndukwe, you are really a good man, Ndukwe. Never afraid to speak the truth. If you need anything, send words to me or my mother through your daughter.
I will sure keep that in my mind. I will.
I shall be on my way.
Yeah.
Norma,
Yeah.
see me off.
Please. My daughter. Mmirioma, thank you. Thank you very much. Of course. If I was told that I will witness a goddess be burned by a human with her full powers and prowess, I will knock that person on his head to tell him to wake from slumber. Thanks to the gods for this opportunity. Even my forefathers did not see it. Thank you.
Nice to see you. May you live long.
Thank you.
Mmirioma, can I see you for a moment?
I shall be back. Be seated.
Okay.
Mmirioma, what's going on? Can you explain to me? Why do you have to bring maidens to the house? What's your problem? Look, I know I don't mean to interfere, but I'm still your mother.
I'll be needing their help in sending food and water to the needy.
And what next?
Mother, you'll be giving both of them 100 cowries every full month and give double to their parents.
It's fine, no problem. I'll do all of that. But please, you need to consider the question of a worried mother. I am worried. So what next? Because I know what the doom of the evil ones means, and I do not want anything to happen to you. Please.
Do you really think a mere mortal can harm me, Uloma?
What? Did you just...
You should learn not to be hurt by every single word that comes out from me. I'm sorry, Mother. I'm sorry for not telling you before bringing them. One more thing.
What is it?
I want you to dress them in white attire. And I won't have them in anything other than purity.
It's fine. I'll do just that.
Mama and Ojugo.
Yes, my priestess.
My mother will get you both prepared.
Thank you.
Thank you. Follow me.
Okay.
I have noticed that since we left the palace, you have been moody. Hope everything is okay.
Obiago.
My prince.
I'm not okay, but it's nothing serious.
Nothing serious, you say. I hope it's not anything that concerns the maiden.
Are you an intruder? Obiago.
My promise.
You know you're my bosom friend, right?
My prince, I just don't want you caught up in the affairs of this kingdom. I feel it is a heavy burden for you to render your shoulders to.
But that is my problem. I am the prince of this land, and it is my priority to know and run the affairs of men, and also take responsibility for some things that are happening in this kingdom. But right now, Obiago, I don't even know what to do.
That is why I say you should not render your shoulders to it. It is heavy a burden.
It is not heavy, and it can't be a burden serving my own people as the prince of this land. What are you even talking about, Obiago? What about the little girl? That little girl that has been helping people? Her shoulders, they are just tender. They're not even as heavy as mine. What would you say about it?
Rumors have it that she is a goddess.
Come off it, Obiago. Where have you ever heard that a goddess is being born into a mortal realm? Listen, people are just saying whatever they like because of her mysterious ways and her beauty. Tell me, do you not listen to rumors?
No, my prince. It is just that I don't want you to wallow too deep in your thoughts. It is deeper than meets the eye.
Let's go.
What is bothering you, Mmirioma? Why are ways of woman so confusing? I mean, I already told her to stay out of my business. But she gets angry each time I have to say my mind.
You mean your mother?
Who else can get me this confusing?
Permit my words, Mmirioma.
Speak.
Here in mortal realm, children are their mother's source of joy. They represent happiness, and they always want to know what is happening around their children, especially when they're still tender.
She just wants to be closer to her child. Please, I don't mean to tell you what to do, Mmirioma, but be a little more closer to her right now. I think she feels more like a guardian than a mother. That can't be found in my traits. But I will try.
I'll get in there, man. Hey, yeah, hey, hey, hey. I'll get in off your nose. Hey, yeah, hey, hey, hey.
Who made the womb that carried Mmirioma cry? What brings tears to your eyes?
Of course, the womb that carried Mmirioma. That's all you see. That's all you care about. Look, let me tell you something. I do not care if you're a goddess. I want you to be like every other child. I am sick and tired of this. I want to play with my tender daughter. I want to go to the farm with her. I want to explore. I want to teach her things about women. What is it, Mmirioma? What's your problem?
You should be happy I know all of this, instead of being taught.
Exactly my point. I know you know everything. You know everything. Since I gave birth to you as a child, you have never been a child, Mmirioma. I have never been your guardian. What am I even saying? You're a goddess. You're a goddess for crying out loud. I am just a mere mortal. I cannot guide you. I'm sick and tired of you. I'm tired.
I actually came to soften her mind. But seems that is the only thing I am bad at. Pleasing humans.
Zion Wogogo! Zion Wogogo! I bow down before you, my king.
Representative of the gods, what brings you to my palace uninvited? I hope all is well.
An urgent message that must to be delivered was sent. Be it a curse upon me if I hold it back.
Finally, the gods have spoken.
This is a message from the gods to the people of Eziono Kingdom, as well as His Majesty. The days of retribution is so near. A turbulence shall fall under the feet of the wicked and stumble the house of the evil. If you know you are guilty, go and confess in front of your son and the entire community. Or wait your doom. The gods have spoken and I have interpreted.
Ezemo, another retribution bigger than the one that we're experiencing? What other retribution can be worse than this?
The message is not well interpreted. It's not clear at all.
Father,
this meeting is over. Everyone leave my place, including you, Ezena.
N'okwu nnekwu gwara ụrịam n'ụrịam gbagha dị isi atọ na mmụọ n'okwu nnekwu gwara ụrịam n'ọgọgọ n'okwu nnekwu gwara ụrịam n'ụrịam gbagha dị isi atọ.
I can't believe I went to the palace to listen to that nonsense. All those rubbish he's saying there. What sense does it make?
Oh no! Oh no! Of course! You keep saying what the chief priest says does not make sense to you. Keep deceiving yourself. What did I say? I said keep deceiving yourself. I will be in a corner whistling to cheer for you. I will be in a corner whistling to cheer for you.
Ndukwe.
Yes?
I don't know why it is very difficult for you to mind your business. I think it's right time I put you where you belong.
I said you cannot do anything, or no?
Ndukwe, I put you where you belong.
cannot do anything. May the gods of our land twist your neck. How dare you? Oh no! Look, let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Let me make it clear to you. I am not interested in being in the midst of evil men. I am not interested. Rubbish. You put me in a corner. Me, Ndokwe. Be careful. Be careful before the gods of this land twist your neck. Rubbish. Be careful, no. Be careful. Don't dare me before the gods twist your tongue. Rubbish. Be careful.
Big one at that.
Mmirioma, what are you doing here? Is there something you want?
I've been waiting for you. And I shall be going to the farm with you.
What?
Yes.
Are you going with your maids on this full attire?
No, mother. I'll be going alone. And yes, with my full attire.
Okay, I see. No problem. You know the farm is far from here.
I do not mind.
All right. Shall we?
Stay behind. I shall be back.
Slim goddess who gave me. She's like a diamond, like a gold, sparkling like a moonlight. The light of the nation has come. The shiri kwatitara, she's itari koshadara. Misukadachi mostetara. She's in for a mission. She's too strong and beyond immortal. She's a light that's lighting the darkness of evil, to set people free from the evil.
My king, I want to ask you a direct question, if you permit me. Please, is there something that is going on that I need to know in our land?
Something like what? I have told you, times without number, that there is nothing threatening enough in this kingdom that draws your attention. Okay?
My king, I am your biological son, the crown prince of this kingdom. I should be working with you, Father. I deserve to know what is going on in our land. I deserve to know the good, the bad, and the ugly. Why are you pushing me away for some certain things about our land? I am your heir, my king. I should be working with you and not behind you.
Ezena,
Father,
I have a lot on my mind. Allow me to think for my people.
Our people, you mean? They are our people. I am the son of this soil. Father, it is very easy. Put me through. Do not cover things from me. I have every right to worry about them. You can't take that from me.
Why worry over something that you've been relieved of? Huh? Leave the worry to your father. I am very capable of handling things in this kingdom.
Capable. A capable king, whereas the kingdom has been suffering for the past few years.
Watch your tongue, young man!
Father, I am only trying to make...
Keep quiet. Are you saying you are more capable of handling disasters that will befall this kingdom more than me? Is that what you're saying?
That is not what I am saying.
Quiet! Now leave my presence!
Slim goddess.
A child that said the mother will not sleep will never have any sleep. Ndukwe, since you cannot stay out of my business, I decided to make yourself a scapegoat. I will gladly make you one. Today, I inflict you with an incurable ailment. You will suffer this ailment till death. nobody will be able to help you. As I have said it, so shall it be. Odumekwekwe, go and inflict him with an incurable sickness. Go! Go! That is what you get for challenging the honor of this kingdom. An incurable ailment.
Oh no. My son is getting too agitated for my liking.
Your Majesty, I think I understand the prince. He is going to be the next king of this kingdom. I see him as a young man that is worried about what is happening in his land.
He's distracting me, okay? His worry is the list of things I need at this time.
But Your Majesty, I want to say something, if you will permit me to speak.
Go ahead.
You see, this little girl, Mmirioma, there have been a lot of good news of the things she has been doing. I think we should utilize her powers instead of seeking only help from outside.
I guess you're right. But something baffles me about that child. Rumor has it that she appears as a priestess. Now tell me, are you aware of anyone that is a priest or priestess in her lineage?
Not at all. I know that Oloma, her mother, is not a priestess, or there's no priestess in their lineage. So also her late father.
It's alright. I will send the guards to go and fetch her to come to the palace. Okay.
That will be good, Your Majesty.
Okay.
Your Majesty, she refused to come with me.
What? So that little girl did not consider it a privilege to be invited to the palace by the king?
Oh no. Don't bother yourself. The gods are wise, okay?
Mmirioma, we'll meet again. Thank you for saving my life the other day. I would have come to appreciate you, But lately, I've been occupied with a lot of things in my mind. But I promise you, I will definitely come and do the needful.
The true son of the soil, offspring of the great king Oshilozo I of Ezulo. There is no need for thanksgiving. Mmirioma render help to those she finds deserving.
But I insist for Thanksgiving, Mmirioma. You're very special to the people of this land. Please, I will come and do the needful.
Be good to humanity, son of the soil.
Mm.
Prince Ezemi, the son of Igwe Diko,
grandson to Ochelo's Wawa. Tell me, who is this lady that has stolen your heart and has left you in this condition?
Obiago, my friend, it will interest you to know that the prince of this land has fallen deeply in love.
With who exactly?
You'll be surprised to know who this special woman is. But once the time is right, Obiago, I will let you know.
It is not the person I am thinking.
Whatever you're thinking should be in your thoughts. Obiago,
my friend.
The goat, get it ready. We are going to Lama's place immediately.
Your lunch is ready.
I will join you soon.
Obiago. As promised, I have come to thank you for saving my life, even though you insisted I shouldn't come.
Ways of humans is really different. Do you really come to thank me? Or it's a chance for something else?
At your age, you have proven that you have a great level of wisdom and maturity, and your posture is next to none. I must commend you for that. I beg to take my leave now, Mmirioma. See you soon. Obiago.
Princess Ina, a plot is made against you. Be steadfast, for if you're not, it shall take you.
An evil plan, you say? Please, can you tell me what this evil plan is all about?
That is all I have to say. Norma, if you keep doing that, your eyes might get blood.
I'm sorry, Mmirioma.
He said, Amen.
Why are you up to?
We have to see someone. Okay, mother.
Slim goddess who get
Greetings, mother.
Why did you send for me? Why couldn't you just come to my house?
I see fears in the eyes of your earthly mother. Normally here in the mortal realm, mothers are not supposed to fear their own children.
Why do you summon me?
I am sorry if I'm intruding, but your time in the mortal realm is exhausting.
I do know about that.
I am wondering when you are going to take action.
Have I not been doing just that?
I know, but things seem to be slow, and you see it yourself.
Do not worry. Everything is working in accordance to how it's supposed to be.
If you say so, mother.
Do not worry for me.
Ezena, whatever happened that day ends there. You shouldn't have confronted Onowu the way you did. He is very furious.
Father of a truth, I do not regret my actions.
Insulting the Onowu is tantamount to insulting me. He's not only the traditional prime minister of this kingdom, he is also my best friend. You have to go and apologize to him.
Father, why are you sounding as if you don't know what I am talking about? We all know, everybody knows that your friend Onowu is an evil man.
Ezena! Watch your tongue.
I'm sorry, Father.
Good.
I will only apologize to him because of you. If that is all, I beg to take my leave.
Majesty, what is going on? I came as soon as I heard the news.
Oh no, I've never seen this kind of thing before. I was having a discussion with my son. He said he was leaving. All of a sudden, he screamed in pains and slumped.
What?
Since then, he has been like that.
This is serious.
What of Ichendukwe and the rest of the cabinet members?
I heard that Ichendukwe is seriously ill, but I'm sure the other cabinet members will be here soon.
Seriously ill? To the point that he cannot get up and come to the palace under this kind of circumstance?
Your Majesty, according to what they said, I don't think he will have the legs to get himself to this place. But what did the healer say about the prince?
Well, according to her, she has not experienced this kind of thing before. But she has gone to get some medication to administer on him.
I have not seen something like that before. What does that mean?
Well, I have sent for the chief priest. I have to make further consultations with the gods.
Your Majesty, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Can I see the prince now?
Could you believe this? No, I'm so happy. Do you believe that my father's illness is all healed when I got home? Hi.
You don't mean it?
I'm telling you.
Eh?
You need to see the happiness in my eyes.
A sickness he's been battling with for years.
I'm telling you.
Suddenly disappears.
Seriously, I'm telling you.
Hey.
And I think it's the handwork of Mmirioma. Yes, that girl has been a blessing to me and my family. Hey.
My sister, oh
God.
Exactly what I was telling my father earlier. That girl, that girl is such a blessing.
Cross of our land.
It's you.
Seriously.
Hey. You don't mean it though.
Seriously, I'm telling you. My sister.
Greetings in Norman, don't you?
Obiago, greetings. Oh goodness, this one you are such in a haste. Is everything alright?
No, everything is not alright. The prince is seriously sick. And I am on my way to the healer right now to get him safe.
Hey! Chimo! I don't... We saw the prince yesterday now, so how come? Why would he be suddenly sick now? We saw the prince yesterday.
I wonder. But remember the message given to him by Mmirioma. It must not be far from this.
Yes. I remember. But she can actually help him. She can help him now.
You need to calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. Do you think she doesn't know by now? She knows, and she saves those she feels like saving. She doesn't follow any order from anyone.
Stop telling me to calm down, eh?
You need to calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. Didn't you hear what he just said?
Calm down. Let's see what will happen. Yes. Calm down.
My chest. You're
talking as if you don't know who is Mmirioma again.
My chest is doing like this. Why now? Yeah. Like, hi. Prince, my prince.
You don't need to be afraid of anything. Mmirioma is here. She's here to cover us up.
This is horrible. Igwe, I came as soon as I heard what happened to the prince.
Ichendukwe.
Igwe.
Words have it that you are sick. Terribly sick to the extent that you could stand up. How come you are not here in my palace, hale and hearty?
I was also shocked because I heard you were terribly sick.
Let's say I escaped the snare of the devil. Well, Enough about me. What about the prince? How far have you come?
I have told you several times never to kneel in front of Mmirioma, no matter what you want to ask.
Mmirioma, I'm asking for something big. That's why I'm kneeling down, even though I know you don't like it.
Stand on your feet. Is that how much you love the prince?
Yes, though it's not just because of the love I have for him. He's the future king of this kingdom. One who I know his reign will be a good one. One who I know his people's hope are dying just because they think he's at the verge of losing his life. Please, I know even with your presence in the palace, he will be healed. Please, I beg of you, help him.
You know very well I can't step foot to that palace.
I know, but just please, I'm begging you, just because of me, please. Please help him.
I can't do anything to help the prince.
Oh. Mmirioma, please, because Mmirioma.
Mmirioma, please. The day of revenge has finally come. The day the restless will finally rest. The day of revenge has finally come. The day the restless will finally rest. The day of revenge has finally come. The day the restless will finally rest.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Onduko's daughter, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What brings you to my palace?
My king, one of Mmiriama's maidens. She sent me to come help take care of the prince before her arrival.
Oh. Is she coming? Because the last time I sent someone for her, she practically turned the person down.
Yes, I was able to convince her, but she said she'll be here when it is time.
Oh, I should be grateful for that. God,
that's my plan. Take her to the prince.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is going on? Why is the sky looking so gloomy and heavy?
It signifies the heaviness of the offender. Mother, you really need to be at the palace. A lot will be revealed to you.
Palace? Why?
Mother, you have always wanted to know more about your daughter. Why your husband died immediately after you conceived me. Why the labor of Mmirioma was not like every other woman. All that you will know in the palace.
What about you? Are you going with me?
I shall be there. The heart of man is filled with evil. Even Shukwu Okike Abiyama sometimes wonder if they are truly his handwork. Mmirioma, your time at the mortal reign is near.
Your Majesty! Igwe!
Slim goddess.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty, I'm finished. Your Majesty, I'm there. Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! What is it? What happened? Your Majesty! Your Majesty! My wife! And my only child is dead, Your Majesty!
What's the meaning of this? Were they sick?
Your Majesty, we are not sick when I left the house in the morning. As I go by this afternoon, both of them
Ha! Gods of our forefathers, what is happening? Huh? Where has doom suddenly found my father's land during my reign? Huh? Why has...
Dikogo, I greet you. The gods of our land has no hand in whatever that is happening in our land.
Ezemo, if the gods have no hand in this, so what is happening? Tell me.
Dikogo, you know very well what is happening. The ant that bites a man is not too far from him. And the karma is the only thing that comes back to a man.
Ezemo, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what is happening.
Igwe, what are we hearing?
Oh no, what are we hearing? Dikogo, you and your Onowu did a grievous thing in the past and is swore to die with the secret without knowing that karma exists.
Although I know that the Onowu here is an evil man. Evil man! But, Your Majesty, I never knew you could do such a thing to jeopardize the well-being and happiness of your kingdom. Please, if you have something to tell us, speak fast. Speak up now. Our people are suffering. Please, we beg you.
I don't have anything to say.
Oh God.
All I know is that the gods can bear me witness that I've always had the good of our people in my heart.
There is no doubt about that, Igwe. But your past deed put your people's life in jeopardy.
Please, speak up, Your Majesty. Say something to us. Please, we beg you.
There is no need for that. The vengeful heart is about to unleash his venom.
Please, Your Majesty. Speak. Say something. Well, I beg of you, please.
The calamity that befell the people of Ezulo Kingdom started with both of you. Dikog and Onowu, you sent for Mmirioma, the goddess of 7 rivers of Ezulo Kingdom, to come and help your son. Were you so blind not to witness her presence in the mortal ruin? And you expect her to respond to your call after maltreating her daughter and condemning her daughter to death?
Prince, you're weak. My Prince, you're weak. There's the god, so... I'm so happy.
What is going on?
Son,
Father.
you are well.
Yes, Father. I'm fine. What is going on?
Dikogo, the king of this kingdom, I expected more from you. But you joined hand with your friend to insult by sending my daughter back to me.
What?
What?
You did what? Stop! Oh no! Oh no! So you are responsible for my son's calamity?
He insulted me like his mate, and I reported him to you, and you did nothing to him. You think I will let him go free? You know me better than that.
Oh no. You are evil.
Both of us are evil.
You were the one who brought the idea of destroying some man.
And you accepted it.
You destroyed an innocent woman who did nothing wrong to you.
Mother. I was wounded, humiliated, and unjustly killed by you, and oh no.
Father, what is she talking about?
Nne, how are you doing today? Hope you are strong.
The gods are wise. I am strong.
Good to hear. I came to inform you that my husband has finished the farm work already.
Oh! Please thank him for me. May the gods keep blessing him. I'm sure my brother will be happy to hear this. Extend my greetings to him. Let me get his money.
No, Nne. You say there is no need for payment. He did it for free.
Eh? He did it for free? Yeah. Hey. May the gods keep blessing him. Even you, Loma. The gods will wipe away your tears.
You say, I believe you, Nne. They will answer both of us.
You think I can still give birth at this my age? I've given up my faith. I have.
Nne, you've always told me that no time is too late for the gods to bless someone.
You're right. No problems.
I have to run along. I have not made lunch for my husband. You take care of yourself.
Thank you. Extend my greetings to him.
All right.
Nne. Nwa ya bịa. Because of my forefathers. Oh no. Lie na ọtụtụ lie na etiti lie na ya si lie na eke lie n'oyi lie na afọ lie na ụgbọ yanyo takwanyo Wadalo no. Odo no ni lisi mu we libe. Ngba dalo no. Dalo no. Because of my forefathers. Kaili kwanu ni. Dalo no. Nne. Deje. Kwa. Ame kaini. You mean you made this food? And you said your father made the sauce?
Yes, ma'am.
It's fine. I know you're not broke wine. You're enjoying it? I am enjoying it.
I know.
Okay, you said you made it specially for me.
For you.
Greetings, easy wine is so much.
Greetings, Obiago, the palace yard of his silver. Come and join us, you met us well.
Thank you, easy wine.
To what do I owe this visit?
The king demands your presence immediately.
Oh. Run along. Tell the king I'll soon be with him. Let me finish my food. Thank you. Your Majesty.
The beauty of Eziolo, the beauty that radiates directly from the gods. You're welcome to my palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, you still praise me at this my age. The beauty.
You of all people should know that you will always be beautiful before the eyes of this great king. You are a beauty that I will always sought after.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you all the same. Please, may I know the reason you summoned me? Thank you, Your Majesty.
It is no secret that you so sought for an heir. Nothing hides from the king. So I summoned you to plan with you as to how you can achieve this your awesome objective.
Your Majesty, I am still waiting unto the gods to reveal the man that will give me my heir. But to date, they have not. And I don't know what else to do about it.
Come on. You've always known what to do. And you still know what to do. The problem here is you have refused to accept the benevolent hand that the king has extended towards you.
I don't understand. I don't understand, Your Majesty.
Soma,
Your Majesty.
you know, I've always loved and wanted you. And I am the man that will help you achieve that your dream.
Your Majesty, please don't touch me again. Whatever happens next, I will not be held responsible. I've always told you to stop lusting after me. Stop it. Until date, you're still doing it. Why? Why, Your Majesty? Why?
Soma, you are asking this because you don't know how I feel about you. You have always been beautiful. I know that you are aging, but your beauty remains the same. I am aware that you have not been touched up till now, meaning that you are still a virgin and pure. Let me be that man that will make you whole, that man that will make you fulfill your destiny.
Your Majesty, I can see my stay here is no longer needed. I have to take my leave now. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Soma. Soma. No one. I am the great King Edochie, the great king that killed a lion with his bare hands. Nobody, I repeat, nobody denies me of anything. I sought for the lion and I got it in the forest. All the maidens, both far and near, sought after me. I will not let go. I must get you. I must break you.
Your Majesty.
Oh no.
I greet you.
Oh no.
I greet Your Majesty.
Oh no. Please sit.
Thank you very much. Your Majesty, on my way coming, not too far from here, I saw some... Is she returning from the palace?
Oh yes. She was here. And you know, I tried to make a pass at her, but in her usual way, she was stubborn, you know. And that thing is getting me worried because nobody turns me down. Okay, there's nothing I want that I can't get. Why is she this stubborn?
Exactly the same thing happened now that I saw her. You know, I tried to explain to her that we want to help her, but she refused to listen. Don't know what is wrong with that woman.
Oh no. I want to ask you a question. Have I ever wanted anything and didn't get it?
No, Your Majesty. That never happened. You are the Ogun, the the man that's capable of getting whatever he wants.
That tells you that I will surely get her. And oh, I can just imagine the kind of pleasure I will have laying that woman.
Your Majesty, don't forget your no.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Do you want to eat from the same plate with your king?
Not actually, but you know that most times we eat from the same plate. It's not as a mark of disrespect, but as a sign of long and lasting friendship.
Oh no. Oh no. I know you. In any case, we shall get her. You know we've been trying to chase that prey. Certainly, we shall get her.
I trust you, Your Majesty. I can count on you. I can vouch for you.
Yes, I shall get her.
Tomato, the beauty of our time. How are you today?
Oh no, that's not the way to greet our priestess.
Soma, leave this thing. Leave this priestess thing. Eh? If you have agreed for me to come in, by now you would have other 2 heirs following you.
May Amadio has struck that your mouth. What is wrong with the men of Ezulo these days? What is wrong with you people?
So look, don't blame us. You're a beautiful woman. Eh? I've been begging you. Allow me cultivating your land. You will not regret it.
Why am I even standing here talking with a madman? Why? Why?
I'm sure that place now is like a closed tunnel. Let me help you and grease it. You will not agree. What is wrong with this lady?
Gods of my forefathers, gods of the 7 rivers of Ezulo, Orimiliata Atawanyoma, I will not complain. But my situation is bringing a lot of insults to me. People no longer respect me. They no longer regard me as a priestess of this land. I've become a laughingstock. Please, gods of my forefathers, come to my aid. Come to my aid. Gods of my forefathers, come to my aid. Ojigo, how are you?
I'm fine, You promised to come to the house.
Yes, but I had things doing. But not to worry. Tell your father I'll be in the house first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay, Ne. May the day break.
May the day break, my child.
Hey, 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 I'll get in there,
Ne, I am tired of facing people with this. I can no longer walk in the midst of my peace anymore.
My child, the gods of our land are wise. They will answer you at their own time. What people say do not matter.
I pity my husband more. He cannot even talk in the midst of his friends. They always make jest of him, saying he married a stick used in the farm as a wife.
Oloma.
Yes, no.
Are you a stick?
No.
The gods of our land will answer you soon. There will be cry of a child in your home. The gods of our land will bless your womb. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Greetings, my priestess. The king demands to see you at the palace alone.
I'll be back.
This is my Highness.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Guards, leave us.
Come with me. To where? My chambers, of course. To do what? Ah, come on. Stop asking questions like a baby. Let us go to my chambers so I can make you to become a real woman. May Amanda has strike you dead! How dare you?
Highness.
What is happening? Ignorant, no. Evil.
May I belong Your Majesty?
Oh no. This is it. This is it! That stupid woman. Guards, leave. That stupid woman was here.
She came here and cursed me.
What?
Simply because I am trying to help her out of her misery. This is the height of it all. That woman said, may Amalia strike me dead. Your Majesty, she uttered that with her mouth. This is an abomination. It's not acceptable.
Oh no.
Your Majesty. Since I cannot get her, then we don't need her in this kingdom. Your Majesty, I have an idea. You do?
gini na feno ife na eme.
You seem to have finished placing around for this month.
Yes, my child. And you're lucky you are the first to see me. What it means is that all your prayers shall be answered soon.
Say, thank you, Nene.
Thank you.
Nene, I came to tell you about the dream I saw last night.
What about the dream? What's it all about?
Nene, you died in that dream. I cried till I woke up. It looked so real.
Not to worry, my child. My enemies can never see me. Because the gods of our land are protecting me.
Alright, Nene.
It's still raining, so you can't go now. You have to wait.
Alright, Nene.
Still have to wait. Lords of our land! What? What? Follow me! Follow me! Hey! Hey! Gods of our land! Why did you allow this? Hey!
She's at the backyard.
Tell her we need to see her now. Greetings, my priestess.
Greetings.
The king asked us to fetch you.
Tell the king I'll be with him in a few minutes.
No, now.
What is the meaning of it? Is there any problem? Let's go. Keep going, I'm with you.
I never knew that you are this heartless. Simply because you have no child of your own. You killed innocent children by poisoning their food. For committing this heinous crime, you shall be stoned to death. I have spoken.
If I am stoned to death, then the kingdom will be on fire. The kingdom can never have peace because of you.
From today till the day I breathe my last, this remains a secret.
From today till the day I breathe my last, this remains a secret.
Vengeance has taken place. I can now go in peace. Mother, you can now take over.
Viva Goddess in Olumekenei, Sanyo, Sanyo Koko, Sanyo Mau.
Blood. You both killed. So shall you be condemned to death.
I am willing to pay for my sin. I knew a day like this would come. As soon as I heard that Mmirioma is a goddess,
Prince of Ezulo, you shall be the king of this kingdom. And I betroth Noma to you as your queen.
Dying in our land.